Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Rudraditya, and today I am very excited and happy because after a long time, finally, I am going to do unboxing of a new product. And I am excited also because this is my first OnePlus product ever, which I purchased by myself. And I bought this from Amazon, and the price of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z is 2000 rupees. And as you can see on the side of the box, there is written Bullet Wireless Z, in fact, on the both side. And if we see on the back side, then there are some highlighted features like wrap charge, long battery life, magnetic control, waterproof, interesting, quick switch and low latency mode, which might help in gaming. Now guys, let's unbox this and see what contents we get inside the box. Well, I already start liking the unboxing experience because the presentation is top notch. For example, there is a sketch of Bullet Wireless Z and it gives you the idea that how it looks, and then there is a hole, and inside the hole you can see the ear cups, which is just amazing. Now let me pull this out and let's see the earphones from behind, and it looks something like this. But yeah, from the front, the first impression and the presentation of the box is very good. And then there is written never settle, and the box color is red, and I like this color a lot. And one more thing I want to say, that generally I don't talk about these things, but the quality of the box is super fine and it looks very premium. Now let's see what else we get inside the box. So guys, this is the unboxing of OnePlus Bullet Wireless G, and now I am going to share my initial impression with you. And I have been used these earphones for last 3 to 4 hours as of now, and I noticed a lot of things. But firstly, I want to talk about 4 things, which is first build quality, second comfort, third design, and fourth fitting. So now guys, let's talk about the build quality. So the build quality of this earphone is very nice and very solid, and it also feels very premium, and the quality of the material used in this earphone is also very nice, so nothing to complain about the build quality. Now if we talk about the comfortness, then it is super comfortable earphones. And one thing I noticed, because this is my first neckband wireless earphone, so I noticed one thing, that this part is very important, because this part will remain in touch in your neck for all the time whenever you wear these earphones. Like you can see, this part will remain in touch. So like if the material is not good, or like if the design is not good of this part, then you will not feel comfortable and you can't use your earphone for long period of time. But in case of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, the quality is very good. This part is very soft and very thin, so it feels like nothing and it feels very comfortable. Now if we talk about the design, then there is not too much to talk about the design. But yeah, it is a wireless earphone but not true wireless earphone, and I will pick true wireless earphone any day over these things. But this is a different category, like neckband category you can say. So yeah, I mean, it's fine, it's completely fine, it is comfortable. And now if we talk about the fittings, then fitting is also good. Like let me show you the demonstration. So like if I wear this like this, and if I shake, nothing will happen. The earphones will not come out of ear, so which is very good. But I have some doubt regarding the fitting of this earphone during the workout, so for that I need some time and you have to wait for my review. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, then definitely do subscribe via hitting that bell icon. Now if we talk about some feature of this earphone, then it has magnetic controls by which it makes sure that your earphone doesn't get tangled. It means your earphone will be detangled all the time, which is a very good thing. And then it has volume controller by which you can adjust your volume, and the middle button is for play and pause. And now guys, if we talk about the sound quality, which is the most important thing of any headphones, earphones or earbuds. So it has 9.2 mm dynamic driver, and the loudness of this earphone is so good, and the bass is, I mean, good, not very good, but it's good. And the overall sound quality of this Bullet Wireless G is good considering the price point of 2000 rupees. And I guess it's too early to judge fully the sound quality of these earphones for me, so you have to wait for my review. And one more very major highlight of this Bullet Wireless G are the battery life, and the company claims that it gives you 20 hours of listening time in one full charge, which is very good. And also it claims that the 10 minutes of rapid charging will give you 10 hours of listening time, which is insane guys. So battery life and the charging speed is awesome, and I have to test these things, and I have to test so many things like the low latency mode. It has water resistance also, and then there are so many things which I have to cover. So for that you have to wait for my review. So make sure you will subscribe my channel via hitting that bell icon, and also if you enjoyed this video then hit the like button and share with your friends. I will see you very soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye, take care.